Here's how to convert AAC to WAV. So if you're going from AAC audio to waveform or wave audio, all you have to do is drag and drop into this file converter I created called ConvertSave. You can find it at convertsave.com, or there's a link in the description down below. But basically, you drag and drop, you select your output. In this case, we're going to go to AAC. No, we are at AAC. We're going to go to waveform. So we pick wave, we hit convert. That's it. So I was a little slower because I fumbled over things, but all you have to do is drag, drop, convert, save. It saves it right next to wherever that file came from. Pretty awesome, if I do say so myself. It can convert images, video, and audio. You don't have to go to any random websites. It does not even upload your files anywhere. You can do this completely offline. Turn off your Wi-Fi. You don't have to have internet access at all, except for to download the software. It works on Windows and Mac, and it's super fast. And we also added these advanced options, and we're adding even more user-friendly things. I worked on this with my brother. He's a software developer, and we're just kind of working on this. I've worked in multimedia for like 15 plus years, so I kind of understand a lot of the file stuff, a lot of what people might be looking to convert. Now you can see we have these advanced options where, depending on what you're converting, we're converting AAC to WAV. It's going to use this tool. It's going to send this default option as far as like the command to the tool to do the conversion. But you can add your own custom conversions, and you can go to the options builder and actually see the different audio encoding settings and processing options that you have to toggle on and off or trim different sections out, etc. And it builds the command for you, and you can apply that. So we'll go ahead and apply my own custom command. And we hit done, and we can see that we have a little custom command icon up here. And I hit convert, and it's going to use my custom command, and it's going to use it for every time I'm going from AAC to wave until I go back in there and want to change it back to default or switch it around. So super fast. I always want it to be able to just drag, drop, convert, save, and be really efficient and quick, because for me, that's kind of like the name of the game. When it came to working with media files, design, anything, like going to a website, uploading my files, waiting for them to convert, maybe not being able to do them all at once, and then download, have to figure out where they go. Like this works. It just saves it right back where everything goes. Drag, drop, convert, save. It's that simple, you guys. I appreciate your support. Hopefully you find it as a meaningful part of your workflow, and we're working to add a ton more options, support for more formats. I think we're in the middle of like creating an image editor system so that instead of just going into these advanced options, and I'd love to do the same for video and audio, instead of doing toggles, you can actually see the waveform, maybe manipulate it or trim it and do things like that. Play it back, listen, all that kind of stuff right here on your computer offline, and be able to do those conversions in ConvertSave super quick. I tried to end in this video a second ago, but I kept talking. So I appreciate you guys, and that's how to convert AAC to WAV. I'll see you in the next one.